At Innovative Health and Longevity, we customize a wellness program for you to not only uncover the underlying cause of your health issues, but also to empower you to take charge of your health and reach your health goals. We spend a lot of time really getting to know you and evaluate and support each of the 5 fundamental pillars of health: nutrition, fitness, detoxification, hormone balance, and neuroemotional factors. We recognize that there is a physical, emotional, and spiritual side to each individual, and we help you to learn to nurture each special aspect of yourself. We will teach you how to use mental techniques such as meditation, affirmations, and visualizations to transform your life. We treat the whole person. Once we have developed a plan to help you to optimize your pillars of good health, we may recommend 1 or more integrative therapies to help your body recover from the chronic conditions that have started to affect your quality of life. We use natural substances such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and herbals therapeutically because they can be even more effective than medications and are far safer. If medication is required, we do not hesitate to recommend it. When necessary, we also use highly effective and extremely safe integrative therapies. Please visit our website to learn more about these therapies. Let's begin with the first pillar of health, nutrition. Research is increasingly clear that good nutrition plays a huge role in maintaining health and reducing chronic disease. Yet, most medical schools offer less than 10 hours of nutrition education during all of the years of a doctor's education. We're all biochemically different, and there's no one nutritional approach that is best for everyone. There are, however, general principles that are universal. In addition, some people are sensitive to certain foods while others are not. Food sensitivities are all but ignored in conventional medicine, but they're very important to your overall health. A sensitivity is not an allergy and is often not obvious to the patient or their doctor, but it can lead to chronic health problems such as digestive complaints, joint and soft tissue inflammation, and fatigue. Food sensitivities are more difficult to diagnose than allergies because they result in delayed reactions and generally involve foods that you eat all the time. A food you are sensitive to may not cause a reaction for 48 hours or more after you've eaten it. If you have chronic symptoms like headaches, trouble sleeping, irritable bowel syndrome, joint or muscle pain, eczema, asthma, nasal congestion, your health issues may be related to food sensitivities. At Innovative Health and Longevity, we utilize proper testing and dietary manipulations to customize your nutritional plan and help you to optimize your health. Let's now talk briefly about the next pillar of good health, exercise. Unfortunately, walking the dog or completing household chores do not count as exercise. Regular exercise is required to build and maintain muscle mass, reduce risk of injury, improve bone strength, and optimize cardiovascular fitness. Many people make New Year's resolutions to exercise, but the majority will quit within weeks or a few months because of the lack of results. Exercise science has come a long way. We teach our patients to exercise smarter, not harder. Improper or excessive exercise can have negative effects on your health in the same way that not exercising negatively affects your health. Based on your current level of health, we will guide you on the optimal exercise program for you. Detoxification is the third pillar of health. Today, toxicity is a real concern. You inhale, ingest, and touch numerous chemicals every day, and the vast majority of these have not been tested and proven to be safe. Many chemicals that you come in contact with every day have known toxic effects. But unfortunately, there's little federal regulation to protect consumers. Your body has amazing systems to detoxify and eliminate toxins, but the current exposure is so high that your body's capacity is overwhelmed. Also, commercial farming has severely depleted our soil, and you are also likely to be nutritionally deficient in the micronutrients that support your body's detoxification systems. The resulting toxicity causes chronic inflammation in the body that leads to conditions such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, and autoimmune conditions. In addition to this threat of disease, a sluggish toxic system leaves you with low energy because the mitochondria, which are your body's energy production factories, are not functioning optimally. To help your body detoxify, we will identify nutritional deficiencies through advanced laboratory testing and help you to correct those deficiencies through diet and nutraceutical supplementation. We will teach you to support your organs of detoxification and elimination. You will also learn how to minimize toxic exposures in your environment and in your food and cosmetics. Hormone balance is the fourth pillar of health. For optimal health, it is also crucial to address underlying hormone imbalances. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel throughout your body and coordinate complex processes like metabolism, growth, and fertility. They also affect the immune system, your mood, and even your behavior. Any problems in the production and balance of hormones will affect your health. Many of the toxic chemicals you are exposed to in your food and cosmetics are known to interfere with hormone function. Electronic stress can also interfere with your hormones. Constant attachment to technology, the pressure to always be on at work, and exposure to blue light for computers and phones can also interfere with hormone production and function. These electronic exposures affect your circadian rhythm or the wake-sleep patterns. There is increasing evidence that disruption of these natural rhythms can lead to certain cancers and mood disorders like anxiety or depression. Look over this list of just a few of the known hormones. Would you like to have more of the fat-burning hormones and less of the fat-storing hormones? It's a trick question. What you really want is everything in perfect balance. Even tiny imbalances can change the way you feel. If you suffer from a hormonal imbalance that causes stubborn weight gain, the distribution of body fat can provide clues to the type of imbalance because hormones are so powerful that they can dramatically change the overall appearance of the body. We will confirm the source of that imbalance with detailed hormone testing. We're going to discuss a few specific hormones and illustrate the body type associated with them. The first of these is estrogen. Estrogen is an important hormone for both men and women. But if it is imbalanced, it can cause extra body fat around the hips and upper thighs and lead to increased risk of breast cancer in women. In men, estrogen can cause male breast enlargement and prostate problems. Estrogen dominance is a state in which the body contains more estrogen compared to its balancing hormone, progesterone. This condition can occur throughout a woman's or a man's life, but is especially common for women during menopause. Blood sugar imbalances, as in diabetes, often cause estrogen imbalance. Estrogen-related imbalances can also occur when a person's body is overburdened with toxicity and cannot detoxify properly. Estrogen-like effects are also caused by chemicals like parabens that are commonly found in conventional beauty products, plastics, and artificial food ingredients. We use hormone testing to diagnose imbalances and develop holistic solutions to help you get back into balance. Sometimes this involves bioidentical hormone therapy. Cortisol is a hormone that controls many processes in the body and has a strong effect on your immune system. It is generated by the adrenal gland. It also helps the body handle stress. Consistently high cortisol levels can cause weight gain, especially around the belly, and the arms and the legs appear thin. High cortisol can also cause fatigue, depression, trouble concentrating, and high blood pressure. If you struggle to get through the day, relying on many cups of coffee, you may have a cortisol problem. If you have a thyroid problem, understanding how your cortisol affects you is even more important. But high and low cortisol levels can prevent your thyroid gland from working properly. Because of its critical importance, we perform specialized testing for cortisol. Unfortunately, conventional medicine does not acknowledge functional adrenal problems due to chronic stress and only recognizes adrenal disease in extremely advanced stages. Low thyroid function can cause fatigue, weight gain, thinning hair, memory problems, insomnia, and generally make you feel terrible. The thyroid body type is diffusely overweight. The conventional medicine approach to thyroid treatment is to prescribe levothyroxine, which is a synthetic replacement for the low thyroid hormone levels, and the dose is adjusted so that the TSH test becomes normal. For numerous reasons, this approach often fails to return patients to their normal energy levels and normal metabolism. At Innovative Health, we assess and address the underlying causes of thyroid problems and optimize thyroid function so that our patients can regain their energy and live their life to the fullest. I have Hashimoto's disease myself and know exactly what it feels like when every step you take requires a sheer act of willpower. Conventional management of my thyroid almost ended both my marriage and my career. Last but not least, we have one more body type to discuss, the body type that is typically seen with detoxification problems. This body type relates more to an organ, the liver, and its critical function of detoxification. When you see someone with this body type, you might describe it as a beer belly. But we think more about this as a factor relating to detoxification. Your liver processes all the chemicals, all your hormones, all the medications you take, while producing substances that help digest food and support the body. When overwhelmed, a sluggish fatty liver can cause a host of issues, including weight gain, fatigue, brain fog, and high blood pressure. It's not enough to tell a patient in this state to eat better and exercise. The body's detoxification systems must be supported in order to regain health and vitality. The last, but certainly not any less important than any other foundational pillar of health, is stress. It's something we all have to deal with on a daily basis. Stress causes over 1,400 chemical reactions in the body, and 75 to 90% of all doctor visits result from stress-related disorders. Prolonged stress causes increased blood sugar, weight gain, high blood pressure, memory loss, and depression. It even causes loss of muscle and bone mass and suppresses the immune system. Stress is in itself not good or bad. It's our response to stress that has the capacity to strengthen us mentally and physically or weaken us. It's important to develop stress management habits, and we provide our patients a variety of easy-to-learn and apply techniques that have shown great success in helping them adapt to the daily stresses of life. I urge you to stop procrastinating and come in for your initial consultation. Most people spend months, if not years, pondering life choices before taking action. What is lost in the wasted time is a more vibrant, healthy life. I cannot wait to meet with you and guide you along the path to wellness. Call today to schedule your consultation and start your journey back to good health. Thank you for watching.